Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 29 July. Let's start. In the year of 1748, on this day, the first contingent of the British Army reached India to assist the East India Company. In the year of 1858, on this day, the United States and Japan signed the Harris Treaty. In the year of 1876, on this day, Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science was established in India by Dr. Mahendralal Sarkar. In the year of 1891, on this day, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, the famous social reformer, educationist, and freedom fighter, passed away. In the year of 1904, on this day, one of the industrial figures who led the foundation of modern India, J.R.D. Tata, was born. In the year of 1905, on this day, Dag Hammarskjöld, the second Secretary General of United Nations, was born. In the year of 1921, on this day, Adolf Hitler was elected leader of the National Socialist German Workers' Party in Germany. In the year of 1931, on this day, C. Narayana Reddy, the noted Telugu language poet who was awarded the Gyanpith Award, was born. In the year of 1941, on this day, Japan, which had sided with Germany during World War II, put its troops on the southern coast of this region to take over China and India. In the year of 1949, on this day, the British Broadcasting Corporation began broadcasting on radio. In the year of 1957, on this day, the International Atomic Energy Agency was formed by the United Nations. In the year of 1996, on this day, Aruna Asaf Ali, one of the prominent women who contributed to the Indian freedom struggle, passed away. In the year of 2002, on this day, International Tiger Day was celebrated. This day is celebrated every year across the world to create awareness about tiger conservation. In the year of 2007, on this day, in Athens, ivory teeth from the prehistoric period were discovered by scientists. In the year of 2009, on this day, Maharani Gayatri Devi, the Queen of Jaipur, passed away. In the year of 2010, on this day, the United Nations Human Rights Council, with the support of 122 countries, passed a non-binding resolution to make clean water a human right. In the year of 2015, on this day, Microsoft Corporation launched Windows 10 for computers. In the year of 2017, on this day, famous Hindi poet Snehamyi Chaudhary passed away. In the year of 2020, on this day, Union Ministry of Human Resource and Development (MHRD) was renamed as Ministry of Education by the Union Cabinet. This was officially announced by the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal. The cabinet, chaired by PM Modi, had also approved the National Education Policy 2020 to reform the higher education sector. In the year of 2020, on this day, all five Rafale fighter jets successfully landed at India's Ambala airport. The plane had taken off from France and was greeted with a water cannon salute. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.